take you through the pine forest. We have a few friends here who wanting to. They're welcoming us here. There are two here, two over there. So let's walk in. Come on. Have a view, guys. Oh my goodness. What is this? Crazy. This is a place where many of the shootings of movies in Bollywood have taken place. Let's walk in. I'll have to be very careful. Watch my steps very carefully. But I have to take all these efforts to impress all my viewers of all ages, especially the kids who would pressure their parents and that they would want to come and visit this place. I think the movie that's coming into mind is Raz. Yeah, Bipasha and Dino Moria. Goodness. इंसान इतने ऊंची ऊंची बिल्डिंग बना देता है, क्या आप भगवान की प्रकृति को मैच कर सकते हो? कभी भी नहीं. This forest is since years and years. What I'm seeing now is everyone, all the men are holding the hands of their ladies and escorting them. It's so lovely to see this. That's why I said that's the best part of traveling. Yeah, these boys are also having fun. The boys have fun at a different level only. As it had rained, the place is very, very slippery, as you can see. You have to be very careful while walking down. Watch your steps, friends. Watch your steps. See, everybody is, all the men escorting people of all ages. Oh, that's really nice. Look at these two logs of wood between the two pine trees. Just two. I think it's artificially placed for people to sit because there's no place here to sit. Yeah, there also they've made small little benches for you to sit. Yeah, wonderful. I've come at the right time. It was raining some time back. Lucky me, na? Everybody's busy taking photos. So am I. I can see a beautiful lake ahead of me. Yeah. Can you see it too? Oh yes, it's a huge lake. I have to just walk a few steps more. In case I slip, kindly pardon me then. I'll have to stop the vlog because I'm wearing very delicate light pink jeans. So then I'll mess up. I'll end up in a mess. Basically, yeah, right. I'm walking my steps very carefully. It's too mushy. Oh my god, I'll have to stop here. Oh, goodness. I always wanted to buy a black pair of shoes, which I couldn't, but thanks to this mushy place that is transformed into because of the rains. My white pair of shoes are turning into sort of black. But I'm enjoying it, yeah. This is also fun. But I just pray God, I don't want to slip and fall. Here, even if you don't know anybody, everybody is ready to help each other, lending their hand so that no one falls. Yeah, it's written here, Pine Forest, Muttu Nadu Mundu Eco Development Committee. What a sweet name. Right now it's the place occupied. I'll take a shoot from there, standing beneath that board. Now how do I get down from here? Task. Oh, we have to go down. Something is telling me to stop here and film from here, but my heart is telling me to no, I should walk down, take some risk, walk down and film for you guys. It's okay if I trip now. Already my clothes have got dirty. There are horses also. I can't imagine riding on a horse in this kind of mushy mud. Oh goodness. And I'm hearing this, thinking of this song, Hindi song, Awesome hai, Mastana. See the horse. I'm feeling sad looking at this little dog. I wish I could bathe him. He's looking so cute. He's such a pretty dog, but all that he's wrapped up with all the mud. In case he's given a bath, he'll turn out to be looking so good. My daughter would start crying if she had been here. Yeah, you have horse riding also here. Well, I want to take the risk of sitting on a horse, but how to film? I am scared also how to sit on the horse. Is he bringing this horse for me? भैया मेरे लिए छोटा हॉर्स सबसे छोटा इससे छोटा नहीं है. They don't have anything smaller than this. Oh my god, but still okay. Let me try. I can't take the still. I can't be so fearless to sit on the horse. I'll be standing beside it, standing on this. In case if you have the strength and you're brave enough to sit on this. जब भी ये छोटा horse है, I don't have. I'm sorry. I'm getting. Look at the mud. See, it is so slippery. एक स्लिप मार के सीधे पानी में. जिसको स्लिप करने का शौक है, you want to be adventurous, come on. Come, no, do not run also. आप पैदल चलो and you're going to slip it right into the water. Yeah. I am the not adventurous. I am the being very cautious with every step. But still, you never know when would I slip and go. I think it's going to rain now also, so I better make a move or else it will get more mushy now, and I am then definitely going to have a very strong fatal fall. Yes. So I'm wrapping up this video with this bright sunshine. Suddenly the weather changes here. Abhi थोड़ी देर पहले it was windy, too windy, and then it started raining, and now suddenly bright sunshine. That's also good. That's the beauty of nature. Unpredictable. So carry your raincoats, umbrellas, and please wear proper shoes so that you don't trip and fall. So I hope you all liked the video. So thank you so much for watching, and please do wait for my next video very soon. Until then, take care. Bye. I hope you all like my vlog. Give me my glasses. लगना तो चाहिए ना कि vlogging. Yeah. So, in case you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. LS Square, like I always say. I'm picking efforts. Initially I was such a shy person. Yeah, I was very talkative by nature, but people used to think that I'm very shy and I don't talk. But now this platform where I don't, nobody can interrupt me. All I have to do is talk by myself. Yeah, and enjoy. Yes, I'm enjoying also. Oh, it's great fun. So all you guys, try to make a trip towards the Nilgiris, and you have a lot of Nilgiris में आपको बहुत सारे oils मिलेंगे, therapeutic oils like the eucalyptus oil. I purchased it for myself. You guys should also buy it for yourself. Oh my god, while talking, and because of the shades, I missed the right path and I ended up in a more mushier place. I'll have to walk back. And I have to remove my glasses because I cannot see. Oh god, so silly of me. But that's the fun of coming on a trip, no? Until you can laugh at yourself. What's the fun then? But I just don't want to fall, that's it, because I'm all alone. I come by myself, solo trip, and there's nobody who can be there. And I don't want to call up my family and tell, come here to the pine forest to pick me up. I've had a fatal fall. Yeah.